Hello there, John Talley with Partzilla.com. We want to take a chance to remind you to enter our 2021 Partzilla CRF450R giveaway. We're going to give away a completely rebuilt 2005 Honda CRF450R. You can enter daily on Partzilla.com. No purchase necessary for your chance to win a completely rebuilt and reworked and modified CRF450R with a bunch of great modifications. A rebuilt engine and clutch with Wiseco components, a rebuilt suspension, and it will be tuned to the winner when that person is announced. Now add to that a Pro Circuit exhaust, Excel rims, all new drivetrain, bearings, controls, levers, I mean, you name it, we did it to this bike. Check out our YouTube channel to see all the ways we made this dirt bike special and how we rebuilt it from the bottom up. So it is not only new, it is better than new. You can enter daily on Partzilla.com. No purchase necessary. Now, you need to check your email on or after January 4th because that's when we're going to draw the lucky winner's name. So enter every day and find us on YouTube to follow this bike every step of the way. Well, good luck and thanks for entering the contest, watching our videos, and buying your parts at Partzilla.com.